Belgium. Officially the Kingdom of Belgium. It is a country in northwestern Europe. It covers an area of 30,528 square kilometers and has a population of about 11.6 million people, making it the 22nd most densely populated country in the world and the 6th most densely populated country in Europe. Its capital and largest city is Brussels. Belgium is a sovereign state and a federal constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary system. Its institutional organization is complex and is structured on both regional and linguistic grounds. It is divided into three highly autonomous regions: the Flemish region in the north, the Wallon region in the south, and Brussels, the capital region. Flanders and Wallonia regions are each subdivided into 5 provinces. The third region, Brussels, does not belong to any province and is not subdivided into provinces. The country is bordered by the Netherlands to the north, Germany to the east, Luxembourg to the southeast, France to the southwest, and the North Sea to the northwest. Belgium has a strongly globalized economy. Its location at the heart of a highly industrialized region helped make it the world's 15th largest trading nation. The gross domestic product of Belgium in 2022 was equal to $613 billion with $52,650 in GDP per capita. There are 3 official languages in Belgium: French, Dutch, and German. The main religion of the state is Roman Catholicism, followed by about 55% of the population of Belgium.